What's going on, everybody? It's the Plant Guys. I'm Ty.
I'm Parker, Ryder's cousin.
I'm James.
And I'm Ryder. So today we are making a Thunbergia, or commonly known as the black-eyed Susan. We're making a climbing vine planter here. We're going to be using 3 colors, and these guys will tell you which color they have when they're planting it.
All right, so I'm going to start it off with the orange appeal. It's just orange.
Before we started, we just wet down the basket and put in some fertilizer.
I got the yellow plant, and I'm gonna be putting it right there.
Yep.
All right, and I have the amber stripe, and I'm gonna putting them right there, just like that.
That's all.
Thanks for watching.
Hold it up.
Yep.
That's what it looks like.
It's a masterpiece.
You got 6 plants in there. It's
Deb's going to
look
put in a picture at the end of this video, too, so
very
you guys
true.
will be able to see what it actually looks like.
Come
Yep,
this way,
that's
guys.
good.
Whoa.
All right.
Well, that's it. That's all. That's our Thunbergia climbing vine. We're going to be making a lot more here, so come and get yourself one.
Have a good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time it is for you right now. This is the
This
Cage.
is the cage.
We're the Plant Guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Okay, you guys ready?
I'll
You know what you're saying,
start,
Parker?
hey, and then you can talk about it.
Okay, after James says his name, you're saying
After I say my
I'm Parker, Ryder's cousin.
I'm starting, and then you're going to talk after. What's going on, everybody? It's the Plant Guys. I'm Ty.
I'm Ryder.
I'm
I'm
Parker.
James.
Oh, I'm
All right,
Parker,
run it back.
Ryder's
Okay, run it
cousin.
back.
We're supposed to
start.
go like this way, bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
And then you're going to talk after.
oh, okay.
Okay.
All right. Run it back. All right.